Welcome to the Academy Point. Please like, subscribe, and share. Top 30 very important MCQs from Pakistan Constitution 1973. Constitution MCQs of Constitution of Pakistan 1973 for all test preparation. In Constitution of 1973, minimum age limit for president is held dash. Durust option A B number 45 years. The largest word in the Constitution of Pakistan that contains 15 letters is dash. Durust option A B number representatives. Article 42 of the Constitution of Pakistan is about Durust option A C number oath of president. Who becomes the acting president once the presidential seat gets vacant in Pakistan? Durust option A number chairman of Senate. Under the Constitution of 1973, Part Dash, Chapter 2, if government tenure completes, election should be held within dash. Durust option A B number 60 days, within 60 days. Under the Constitution of 1973, Part 3, Chapter 2, if a government dissolves, election should be held within. Durust option A B number 90 days. Durust option A B number. Commission means the Election Commission of Pakistan constituted under dash. Durust option A B number Article 218, Article 218. Which article of the Constitution of Pakistan 1973 deals with protection of minorities? Durust option A C number Article 36. Article 18 of Constitution of 1973 deals with dash. Durust option A C number freedom of trade. A general election to the National Assembly or Provincial Assembly shall be held within a period of dash days. Durust option A C number 60 days. Which article of the Constitution of Pakistan 1973 deals with high treason? Durust option A number Article 6. Who became acting election commissioner in the absence of Chief Election Commission of Pakistan? Durust option A number senior member of Election Commission of Pakistan, senior member of ECP. Which article of the Constitution of Pakistan 1973 deals with elections by secret ballot? Durust option A C number Article 226, Article 226. Article 15A of Constitution of 1973 deals with dash. Durust option A B number right to education. Election Commission of Pakistan was established on dash. Durust option A number 23rd March 1956. Chief Election Commissioner of Pakistan may resign his office by writing under his hand addressed to the dash. Durust option A B number President of Pakistan. Which article of the Constitution from the following deals with Chief Election Commissioner dash? Durust option A C number 213 article of the Constitution of 1973. Urdu is declared the official language of Pakistan under which article of Constitution of Pakistan 1973? Durust option A B number Article 215, Article 251. Islam is declared as a state religion under which article of the Constitution of Pakistan 1973? Durust option A B number Article 2. Article 149 of Constitution of Pakistan, what it says? about federal government's power. दुरुस्त ऑप्शन ए डी नंबर directions to province in certain cases. In certain cases. 20th Amendment of Constitution of 1973 amended dash in dash schedule. दुरुस्त ऑप्शन है ए नंबर सेकेंड और थर्ड. Amendment second and third schedule. 20th Amendment of Constitution of 1973 amended dash article. दुरुस्त ऑप्शन ए नंबर 7 article. Amendment 7 articles. Amended 7 articles. 19th Amendment of Constitution of 1973 amended dash article. दुरुस्त ऑप्शन है ए नंबर 6. Due to 18th Amendment of power of President to dissolve National Assembly under Article dash was diminished. दुरुस्त ऑप्शन है सी नंबर 52B Article 52 58 2B आर्टिकल दुरुस्त ऑप्शन है सी नंबर 58 2B. Name of the NWFP was substituted Khyber Pakhtunkhwa through dash. दुरुस्त ऑप्शन है ए नंबर 18 amendment. Dash articles were substituted through 18th amendment. दुरुस्त ऑप्शन है बी नंबर 20 articles. Constitution 18th Amendment was published in Official Gazette on dash. दुरुस्त ऑप्शन है बी नंबर 20th April 2011. 18 Constitutional Amendment Act was passed on dash. दुरुस्त ऑप्शन है ए नंबर 19th April 2010. Constitution 16th Amendment amended dash articles. दुरुस्त ऑप्शन है ए नंबर 127. Constitution 16th Amendment Act was enacted on dash. दुरुस्त ऑप्शन है सी नंबर 3rd August 1999. Thank you for watching.